Hey there, glad you're here. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to turn off all notifications in the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Whether you're tired of constant alerts or just want peace of mind, this step-by-step guide will help you silence OneDrive quickly and easily. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. After that, tap on Notifications. This will bring up all notification preferences for your OneDrive account. Finally, disable the toggle next to Enable All Notifications. Once turned off, you'll stop receiving notifications from OneDrive on your device. That's it. You've now successfully disabled all OneDrive notifications on Android. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials on our channel.